George, I've saved this question for you because, quite a lot of the time you hear how there's a big talk about digitizing our economy. How do you see us catching up with the rest of Africa, if not the rest of the world? And what can we do to use digitization to minimize the burden of tax compliance?
Thank you once again. Talking about digitalization, we've experienced where, as a country, we've made a lot of investment in that direction, where all of us know at the ports we have a paperless system, and we also are aware that the JNRA has this e-portal, which, all things being equal, should be relieving most taxpayers from some of these challenges we have as taxpayers. Incidentally, the e-portal is functional, but only in a very limited way. Currently, you can do some filing and you can effect some payment. It actually causes some delay. The JNRA themselves are not excited about how it's performing. However, they are committed to ensuring that this e-portal will work effectively. We are looking at a situation where we could get to the centralization of the system nationwide, where all systems and procedures would be working effectively and efficiently, such that you can do your e-filing and effect your e-payments, request for a TCC, look at your balance, look at your position on withholding taxes and everything.
What's a TCC? Sorry,
Tax clearance certificate.
Ah, okay.
Actually, the law looks at a situation where you use the electronic system to apply for a tax clearance certificate.
Wow.
And then it will be issued appropriately. So those are not functioning at the moment, but that is where I think at the end of the day, we are all looking to get into. Should we be able to get there, then on a nationwide basis, irrespective of where you were, in the convenience of your room, you can do your filing and effect your payments. And that would save us a lot of cost in terms of making payments, in terms of compliance. Because at the end of the day, what we have by way of dispute, at times even is on the date you made a filing. Once you're using the e-portal, once you click the button, it registers the transaction, and it becomes an undisputed basis between you and the JNRA as to when you did your filing.
But I'm a small business or medium-sized business. I've always kept my books. Everything is written on paper. I have receipts and all of these things. What do you feel that businesses ought to start doing so that there's some seamless connectivity to the digitization of tax administration?
Okay. I think if the e-portal should work the way it shouldn't be too difficult for taxpayers to set up their own system and then be able to link up with the e-portal to do whatever they want to do in terms of transactions with the JNRA. However, I also believe that the JNRA, if you look at the cardinal principles of taxation, you're talking about convenience. If somebody hasn't gotten the financial muscle to make an investment in a technology to be able to link up with your system to make it convenient for the person to comply, why doesn't the system or the regulator make that investment to make it quite easy and convenient for anybody, whether you have the resources as a business entity or not, to be able to do what is expected of you?